stop. If you start the wrong YouTube niche in 2026, you could waste months uploading videos that never grow. Meanwhile, beginners are getting monetized in 7 to 15 days using the right niches. Some brand new channels are hitting millions of views with their first 10 videos. So in the next 3 minutes, I'll show you the best faceless YouTube niches to start in 2026, ranked from good to absolute money printers. And if you're serious about YouTube automation, watch this carefully. Before the niches, understand this. As a beginner, shorts are the fastest way to grow. Long form can take 10 to 15 hours per video. Shorts usually take 1 to 3 hours. More uploads equals faster growth. And even with lower RPMs, a shorts channel doing 100 million views per month can still make $10,000. So start with shorts, then scale later. Niche number 3, commentary shorts. First niche is commentary channels. These are faceless channels where you comment on things like movies, sports, viral internet moments, streamers. Example videos, why this movie scene makes no sense, or craziest streamer moments ever. Why it works, there are endless trending topics, but the downside, it's very competitive. So you need something unique like funny commentary, storytelling style, unique editing. Otherwise, your channel will look like everyone else. Niche number 2, AI skeleton shorts. Now this niche is blowing up right now. These are AI-generated skeleton videos explaining topics like what happens if you take protein powder for 30 days, or what if you were stuck on Mars. Small channels are getting monetized in under 15 videos. And the best part? These videos can be created with AI tools. And actually, I already made a full step-by-step tutorial on my channel showing how to create AI skeleton shorts for free, from generating the images to turning them into videos. So if you want to try this niche, you can literally start today. Number 1, ranking channels. If you're starting from zero, this is the easiest niche. Ranking channels combine multiple viral clips into one video. Examples, top 5 fishing moments, top 5 craziest street fails, top 5 food ordering moments. Why it works? You're combining already viral clips, which multiplies engagement. But here's the trick. You must add voiceover commentary. Even simple lines like, "Number 3, this guy completely failed his fishing attempt." That makes the video transformative, which allows monetization. And I actually made a full tutorial showing exactly how to make these ranking shorts, how to find clips, edit them, and add commentary so they stay monetizable. So if you want the easiest niche to start, this is it. The biggest mistake beginners make is choosing the wrong niche. Pick the right niche, stay consistent, and your faceless YouTube channel can literally become your biggest online income source. Now the real question is, which niche are you starting?